Good morning everyone. My name is Samruddhi Rajkiran Mahamuni. I am from 7th B. My topic name is Importance of Cleanliness in Life. Greetings to everyone. We all know that our Prime Minister has kick-started a new campaign named Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It is nothing but called Clean India. With this campaign, people maintained high standards of cleanliness and hygiene all over the places, which includes home, public places, workstations, streets, and many more. People thought that it is their responsibility to encourage the same spirit to their children and students. Cleanliness is one of the crucial activities for our physical and mental formation. Today, there are lots of news that people die of some diseases such as dengue, malaria, etc., that are born out of dirty surroundings. To prevent such diseases, India needs to focus on maintaining cleanliness. It will also help our country to earn some respect and fame for the tourists to visit our nation. If every Indian citizen has participated in this campaign, it would have been gone to some extent. Even we can teach people living in our surroundings about the importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness is a good habit and everyone cannot cope up with the cleanliness idea. People who practice cleanliness can make others to understand the benefits of it. We can categorize cleanliness into different types such as personal cleanliness, environmental cleanliness, workplace cleanliness and many more. Nowadays, the struggle to maintain cleanliness is our daily life routine. We can continue with our regular basis such as cooking, eating, bathing, etc. by maintaining cleanliness. Make sure of doing small things such as throwing trash in the dustbin, not urinating on roads or public areas, etc. If we can continue this campaign, we can bring a drastic change in our surroundings. And even a minimal level of cleanliness can change our surroundings. We must never compromise with the cleanliness and should make others to do it so that they can live a healthy life. Maintaining cleanliness is the best habit that should be generated by parents. That is because parents help in shaping their students' personality. Unhygienic conditions can cause serious health issues and even causing harm to the environment. If pollution increases, it can lead some breeds such as cancer, lung infections that can lead to a person's death. Therefore, it is always the best time to arise some awareness about maintaining cleanliness. Also, we can protect thousands of lives who die during these unhygienic conditions. And we must adopt a lifestyle and nurture our surroundings, and we can save thousands of lives from dying due to these unhygienic conditions. Thank you for giving me the best opportunity on explaining the importance of cleanliness in life.